Meanwhile, the Budget Department supports Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong's move to submit evidence to President Marcos Jr. on alleged irregularities in flood control projects, with over 1,000 complaints now under review. Rod Lagusad reports.
The Department of Budget and Management supports Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong as he provides President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. with information regarding his statements about alleged corruption in flood control projects. According to Budget Secretary Amina Pangandaman, it is better that they do not only see these projects in General Appropriations Act or GAA, which is signed by the President.
Ang gusto po sana natin makita na itong mga proyekto na to ay natutupad at nakakarating sa taong bayan po ng sa lalong madaling panahon.
According to Magalong, he will be able to submit the necessary information to the President next week.
Ko-consolidate ko lang yung mga ebidensya namin at yung mga leads, and then personally we're going to march to the Office of the President. Siguro next week. Tatapusin lang namin. We'll get in touch with the Office of the President kung kailan siya available. At immediately, kung ano yung date na sinet niya.
He added that this includes projects whose implementation is being considered irregular. This comes after a statement from Malacanang asked the mayor to submit whatever information he has to the President.
Hindi naman po siguro kinakailangan pang magkaroon ng isang magli-lead sa probe dahil nga may mekanismo na po at sistema na ibinigay ang ating Pangulo. Ibigay na niya ang report na ito sa ating Pangulo. At kung kinakailangan maidemanda o makasuhan ng may sapat na ebidensya, agad-agad natin po itong dapat gawin.
In connection to this, more than 1,000 complaints have been received by Malacanang through Sumbong Mo sa Pangulo, a website created to report defective and questionable flood control projects. From August 11 to 13, the complaints lodged on Sumbong Mo sa Pangulo have already exceeded 1,000. According to the palace, the complaints are now under review. The President earlier ordered the Regional Project Monitoring Committee of the DepDeb, together with various government agencies, to investigate the flood control projects. He also ordered the blacklisting of contractors who failed to complete projects or carry them out carelessly. And if any employees of the Department of Public Works and Highways are found to be involved in these negligent practices, they will be immediately dismissed. The DBM has already turned over to the DPWH the list of flood control projects for this year.
Kasi yung pong nakikita namin, di po kasi kami mga engineers, no? So yun lang yung nasa under na programa na flood control. Kasi baka meron pa pong within the budget ng DPWH na flood control pala, pero hindi po namin kasi alam yung terms na ginagamit nila.
Pangandaman explained that the proposals come from the DPWH, where the over 270 billion pesos proposed budget for flood control projects were prioritized in the agency's 2026 National Budget Plan. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.